Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I mean Magical Math. First of all, wish you a very happy new year. I hope you're doing well. My name is Chestha Keshri. I am 10 years old. This video is part 23 in English. So today we're going to learn percentage calculation. As you might have noticed, it gives extra smile to our parents' face whenever they see a discount on any product. After learning this trick, you might help them to calculate discount in speedy way. For example, 11% of 23 or 79% of 400, etc. And you know friends, we are going to find percentage in mind and in seconds. Now, what is percent? Okay, let's break this word like percent. So, per means each or one. Cent means century or hundred. So, basically percent is nothing but a fraction, 1/100. So, as you already know, percent is used to indicate using sign this. So, let's take an example. If someone says 25% of the total number of toffees in packet are chocolate. So, it means that 25 out of each 100 toffees are chocolate. So, now let's understand with pictures. A packet of toffee is equal to circle. Means the circle is a packet of a toffee. Next, 25% of toffees are chocolate. Means 25% is equal to 25 times 1/100 is equal to quarter part are chocolate toffees. So like this. Okay friends, now let's discuss today's secret. Suppose you need to find 1% of any number. Just shift or add decimal point to 2 digits from right of the number. Next, 10% of any number. Just shift or add decimal point to 1 digit from right of the number. Okay, 50% of any number. Just divide the number by 2. 100% of any number. Just write the number itself. Okay, friends, whenever you see or solve percentage question, always try to break it in form of above mentioned percentage only using add, subtract, multiply or division operations. Okay, for example, 5% of any number is nothing but 10% of the number divided by 2. 25% of any number is nothing but 50% of the number divided by 2. 4% of any number is nothing but 4 times 1% of the number. 39% of any number is nothing but 3 times 10% of the number plus 9 times 1% of the number. Or you can do like this. 3 times 10% of the number plus 10% of the number minus 1% of the number. 90% of any number is nothing but 100% of the number minus 10 of the number. Okay, let's say you need to find x percentage, where x means some number of any number, y means we will write. So, for example, here x means 5% of y means 7. So 5% of 7. You can write like this or 7% of 5, right? Both are same, correct? Yes, it is. So, okay friends, now let's apply our today's trick. So, our first question is 1% of 32.3. So, as per the trick, we need to shift this decimal after 2 digits from right, means 1, 2. So, the answer would be 0.323. Okay, 1% of 3. Here, we have only 1 digit. So, we'll just add 0 here. So, we'll move decimal point after 2 digits. So 1, 2. So the answer would be 0.03. Okay. Second question. 10% of 32.3. So as per the trick, here we need to shift this decimal after 1 digit from right. So the answer would be 3.23. Okay. 10% of 3. Here, again we'll add here 0. So then it would be 0.3. Third, 50% of 322. So basically here we will just do this number half. So it would be 100 and so 320 divided by 2 would be 160. Okay. Fourth, 100% of 320 would be 320. Friends, so our next question is 11% of 300. So as per the trick, I've written like this. So 10% of 300 is 30.0 and 1% of 300 is 3.00. When you will add, you will get this 33.00. So 33.00 is the answer of this question. Okay, next 35% of 5,000. So I have written like this. As per the trick, I've written like this. So 10% of 5,000 is 500.0 times 3, and then 10% of 5,000 is 500.0 divided by 2. So when you will times this, you'll get this, and when you will divide this, you'll get 250. And after that, you will add those numbers, and then you will get 1750. Okay, next, 7th. Here, as per the trick, we need to write like this. So 100% of 732, and so 100% of 732 is 732, and 10% of 732 is 73.2. And when you will subtract those, you will get 658.8. Okay, for better understanding, I've shown some more examples here. This question can be also done by this way. Okay, this is second question. Again, this question can be also done with this method. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. I would like to please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and press bell icon so you can get notification automatically. Please solve below questions using today's magic or Jadoo. Bye my friends. Namaste, stay home, stay safe.